What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is gonna be a makeup video. I know, a makeup video guys, but I just want to show you guys how easy it is to use this product, and even me, something that I struggle with. If I can do it, then you can do it too. Without further ado, is the Revlon Color Stay Exactify Liquid Liner. So this is what it looks like. I just want to show you guys, that's what it looks like. It's the black bottle. It has quite a lot of product in for $1.99. You can get it at Clicks, Discount, or you can get it online. I just want to show you guys how super easy it is to use. So this is the first color, the black one that I already showed you guys. And it comes in 4 different colors. So for this video, I'm going to do 4 different looks using 3 different colors, but they do come in 4 colors. Gold, mulberry. This is this is one of my favorite colors. It's so girly and so feminine, and it looks so nice in the eye. And then this is the next one. It is called Mermaid Blue. I'm going to show you guys how insanely easy it is to use, even for me, someone that struggles to use liquid liner, that I actually just gave up using it altogether. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to use, and I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah guys, I'm so excited to show you guys. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the nice thing about these liners is that it's super easy to use. It has like this wheel, almost like a mini pizza cutter. It's literally like a tiny wheel. It's smudge proof. You can wear it for up to 24 hours. It's waterproof. So the first look that I'm gonna do is a kind of cool take on the cat eye, and I'm going to show you why. So we're just going to dig into this. I can't get over this tiny wheel. I can't get over it. It's so cute. This is the second look with the same black liner and some blue eyeshadow from Revlon as well. So that's a look on its own. And this is, I think, is a bit more glam, nighttime, supper, dinner with the girls. So this is definitely a bit more on the edgy side, but also still cool, still trendy, and super easy to do. I actually shot the other day with this look. I don't know if you guys noticed, but in my Instagram I will show you that look now. So for this look, I'm going to be using the black liner and then the green liner. You guys are going to see what I'm going to do with it. Okay, so as you can see, that look was super easy to do. I just used these two, and then I made it a bit thicker off camera. That's again your preference. If you want to have it thinner, you can, but I like it to look a bit more bold because I think the colors are so beautiful together. And yeah, that's my third look. On to the final look. So between every look, I'm taking the liner off. You just have to take like a wet cotton bud, and it comes off so easily. It like almost peels off. That is not even like a mission to do all of these makeup looks for you guys, so you're welcome. So next I'm going to take the mulberry color in the Revlon Exactify liner, and this looks also quite cool. It's very different,
but it looks really pretty when it's on and like very feminine and girly, so I'm going to show you that with that. This is the final look. I actually think I think I'm gonna keep this face on for the rest of my day, but this is the final look. I absolutely love this one. Those are the 3 colors. There are 4 all in all, so if you guys do get them, do let me know which color you decide to pick, and if you decide to mix and match them or what your take on the different looks are. I'd love to see them. I'll link all the products down below that I used in this video. If you're anything like me and you struggle to put liner on, then these are really cool because it's so easy and you can't go wrong because it's a straight line if you use the wheel, so you can't go wrong. So yeah guys, I love how pigmented the color is. Normally with eyeliners you have to go over them quite a few times, so with this you only need about 1 layer and then you're good to go. So all of the products used in this video are Revlon, and I'll link them all down below, and I'll link the Exactify liners down below as well. So hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you.